Hi everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Carla. This is Crafting with Carla. And if you're returning, what's up? What's up? Glad you're all back. Okay, this is what I made last week. And I am obsessed with this because just for this one alone, I'm able to put my pencils up here, and then I love this little tray thing for the little knick-knacky things that just get lost in drawers. I love that this can like organize my little pencil set, and it just looks so darn cute. Let me move that out of the way. So I'm doing this mold again. I just have to, I want to, can't stand it. I'm gonna do it with a little bit of pink, but it's gonna be really pretty translucent. I'm not gonna use a lot of this. This is Doodle Hog mica powder, which unfortunately, I don't know if they make Doodle Hog anymore, because I love this. It was so inexpensive. So I have a bunch of flowers. My daughter got me some flowers, and I don't even think it was for an occasion. It was just like, here, Mom. So sweet. So they've dried, these little rosebuds and little flowers. They're mostly, well, they're not mostly dead. They are dead. D-O-D, dead. D-O-D, dead. Well, okay. All right, they're dowed. They're just dowed. Pardon me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use all these flowers in the mold, the two pieces. And so let me go ahead and put you on pause, and then I'll be right back after I mix up my resin. Okay, we're back. I hope I didn't screw this up. I just used a tiny little pinch of this, and I mean less than a bit. I mean, like the end of my little finger. And I think I might be in a little trouble because it seems to have a little refraction going on where the color, even though there's just a tiny bit in there, kind of is almost like an interference. Anyway, let's just go ahead and move on here. I stuck this in to see if I could see it, so I just put it there for right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in, let me do it like this. I'm going to put in some of this into another cup because it's a lot going on. And I just want to maybe push a few of these little roses in here without breaking them up too much. And yeah, I know there's going to be, probably going to be a lot of bubbles in this, but you know, I like bubbles. Who doesn't like bubbles? I don't know. It seems to be bubbles and resin. That's like a really big but it happens, so chillax. Okay, so I'm gonna just put in a few pieces of this on here. It's not gonna stay, but still, I'll just stick it in there. You, I'm gonna take off for a minute, put you there. And so what I'm gonna do is mix in some of this and some of these flowers. I'm just going to pull the petals out, put them in there too for color, and who knows what for. I don't know. Oh, holy cow, Carla. Okay, so now I'm going to just mix these in. I feel like I need more. Maybe I should use some of these dark ones. Yeah, but they're very pretty color. You can see that. I don't know if you can see it. They're very eggplant purple color. Very nice. Oh, I do want to stick a couple of leaves in here though, too, on the edge. Okay, just a couple. Oh, okay, so that's probably enough for that. Let me just stir this in a little better slowly. Now let's just pour this in. Oh, that's a lot. That's a whole lot. Okay. Need some more here. I'm not going to be able to push it in too much even though I really don't want the bubbles to be on the edge, because then that makes that hole. I also don't want to smash the roses. Let me just go ahead and get some more stuff in here. Okay, that rose is like not happy. Not happy. Get back down in there and do your job. All right, I'm just going to push on these roses just a little bit. This one's right in front of a bubble. The bubble on the side. Let me move those out of there, because they're pressing against those bubbles and not allowing, you know, the little bubble things on this, and not allowing the resin to squeeze in there. All right. Well, I'm going to put a little bit more on here. I think I should take that rose out. Maybe if I squish it. Yeah, I'll just squish it. But I do need some more of this. All right, so I'm going to let this go over here for a minute. And I'm going to take you and stick you right there. And now I'm going to... What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What's she doing? I'm going to go ahead and put more of this in here for a good amount in there. Let me just add all the rest. Oh, I just flipped them all over the place. Okay, Sarah, Sarah. Okay, Carla, Carla. You know, the thing is, don't take yourselves too seriously doing this stuff, because just have fun, you know. Worst thing that can happen is it comes out so bad you have to paint it black and to try to save it. But whatever. Don't let that stop you from experimenting and just like loosening up. All right, this is starting to get warm, so let me go ahead and dump that in there real quick. Yeah, it's definitely warming up. So let me do this. And then let me put in some of my flowers in here. Maybe I don't want to use them all. I don't know. Okay, just put some of my flowers in there. You get out of there. Or you go live there. Now I'm going to add the rest of this in. You know what I forgot to do? Put in my glitter. Chocolate. Okay. Put a little bit in here. Let me squeeze this bottom part real quick. Get the bubbles up. And let's get the rest of this out of here. Whew. Put that over here. I'm just going to pour this straight in. I'm not going to add any more anything to it. Just like this. I am, though, however, going to cut those stems off. Yeah, that's all I want to do is, all I don't want to do is be fighting the stems. Like, you know, how did I get them? I have to sand it because they're there. Come on, get down in there. It's hard for you to see what I'm doing, but I'm trying to get the resin to go down. It's getting thick because I'm using the 1 hour demold. So it is getting thicker, and it's not wanting to go past the flowers at the top. At the top, little upspeak for y'all there. Okay, let's see what we can do. Get this filled up. More bubbles. Okay. All right. I'm going to let you go real quick. I'm going to get some of the bubble situation out of here, and then we'll be back when it's time to demold. Hi, everybody. Back, and it's ready to demold. So it's pretty see-through. It's hard to tell if there's thousands, millions of bubbles, or if that's the glitter reflecting. Dumped a little glitter on this. I gotta sand that down. Okay. There's like a little lump sticking out there. It's not gonna be a big deal though. Don't think so. All right. So, here we go. I hope those little roses are cute. Let's see, here we go. Oh my God. That is precious. Oh my goodness. Okay, that turned back around. Look at this. I really like the little roses in here. I think you guys can see the roses. They're super cute, super cute. So there's the bottom. Oh, that looks so cute too right there, that rose, you can see. I hope you can see. I hope you can see. Oh, I like this already. I like it a lot. Let me take my glasses off. Yep, looks even better without them. Ah. All right, that's sharp, but let's do this. See what's going on in here. Well, what do we call this? Bridal shower, barf. Swept up the floor. That's cute. Some bubbles. It's very girly. It's very cute. Look at that. Aw. See how cute that is? I can't wait to take pictures of it tomorrow. I really like this. I love these. This is like perfect for me. Because I have a lot of like brushes and things that that you can put in here. And I just love that it's got this little thing, but it's also, you can go like this, turn it upside down like that, and then it's a mushroom dish. Super cute. We'll come down here and I will go like that so you can see that. The mushroom dish, maybe down lower. I'll just try to lift it up a little bit. Super cute. I was thinking the other day that this would be really darling for like those little butt cakes. Well, I'm sure they call them bunt cakes, but you know the ones I'm talking about, that you get from the butt cakes. bunt cakes. Like this being a little stand to have your little cakes on, which is so cute. But it's also really cool like this. Really cool. Really cute. Where's the pretty side on this? Oh, that's kind of pretty. Oh, that's really cute right there. Oops, it's not in the light. It's not in the... Anyway, I'll take some pictures of this. I just had to do another one because I absolutely love that red one. And this one is just so dainty. I don't know. It could even be like for your bedside where you put your glasses in here and your teeth here. I have a partial that I put in every now and then when I go out in public. Drop in my bottom partial, but you could put that in here. My chapstick, my partial. Yep, you can put your glasses in there. Okay, well, that was it. This is what I wanted to show you guys. Just, how cute. Let me move that, make it brighter. Just how cute this is. It's very, Very girly. Very girly. I really like this mold. I'm gonna make more of these, but I won't bore you with them unless it's like so phenomenal. Be like, oh my gosh. So see, that's really, really cute. So cute. Oh, love it, love it, love it. And again, it did pretty good with no bubbles here for having everything pushed in there. Let me feel the sides for like bubbles from the rose. No, I don't see anything. Just a cute plate. Very, very cute. With the cute dish on top. Ta-da! I love you guys. I love you, love you, love you. And I hope everybody is having a great end of April. And being kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself and love yourself. Love everybody and be kind. Just be kind. I think compassionate and kind, and try to be understanding with people. You know, everybody comes from a different family that has come from other people that through generations they've become kind of set in their beliefs. So you just have to have compassion for people that, you know, seem so different. So you're usually not that different. So I love you guys. Take care of yourselves. I'll take care of myself, and hopefully I'll be back for another video real soon. Okay? Oops. I put it like that so you can see how darn cute that is. Jiminy Christmas. Jiminy Christmas. Okay. I'm in love with these things. If I'm going to have to get some of my non-toxic resins, like Naked Fusion, and make these as little like drinking cups, or where I could put my dip in here, and then my little carrots or cucumbers, you know, cuts there. Be just adorable. Dessert. What can I do for dessert? Okay, I gotta go. I gotta let you go because I don't want to keep you on here forever. Never, 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 never. I love you. I love you, love you, love you, and I'll be back real soon, okay? Take it easy, everybody. Bye-bye. And bye-bye. Bye-bye.